Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mission Right. So today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on these cute passion twists. If you're interested, then you know what to do. Keep on watching, guys. Alright, so like I said, these twists are called like passion twists. And the reason why they're called that, actually I don't know why they call that. I saw this type of way of doing this on YouTube, and I will put the creator of this style down in the description bar because I'm not taking credit for the style. I didn't create this. I'm just like showing you how to do it on a shorter style. So I first did this style and it was much longer. I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen so you can see how that was. It was super cute. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you could be seeing when I am trying out hairstyles and quick reviews on things. I literally just watched it last night and I pinned them up to stretch them. I will show on the screen the products that I use to wash my hair, and I'll leave all the products in the links in the description bar. And I'll also show you on the screen what I use to moisturize my hair with in preparation for the style. So I use the Free Trust Braid Bohemian Braid 20 inches, and I got the color 1B. You're gonna need something to kind of bond your hair with or to mold it. So I got the Moisturizing Beeswax molding paste. You need something to moisturize your hair with. Again, my hair is already moisturized, but I want some extra moisture, and I'm going to also moisturize the hair too. You're going to see why. So I'm going to use my Prodigy Naturals Honey Whipped Flaxseed Gel Buttercream. I used this last time and it was so moisturizing, so I love that. You're going to need detangling comb, a rat tail comb for parting if you care, an edge control like brush just to kind of, you know, sculpt the edges. But I have these little clips to help me clip my parts away. Water, gonna be your crochet needle. So rubber bands is important. Some oil, this is optional. Foil paper, you're gonna know why in a second. And a detangling brush. We're gonna talk about this brush later as well. Like I said, I'm going to make them a lot shorter. So this is how long they are straight out of the pack. If it was to fold it over, this is how long they are, and of course it stretches. Cut them right in the center. So I know a lot of people, when they think of the rubber band method, they think of possible breakage. Not if you soak your rubber bands. You're going to get your foil paper, put a whole bunch of rubber bands, or you could use like an old container, that works too. Bands on there, and put some oil, just a little bit. Toss it around like a salad. And that just coats the rubber bands so they're not so harsh. You could do the same thing with your scrunchies actually. You could coat them in oil. I'm gonna like lightly moisturize the hair a little bit. Again, I'm using my Prodigy Naturals Honey Whipped Flaxseed Gel Buttercream. I'll leave this product down in the description bar. This stuff is awesome. Not only does it smell good, but it gives me a nice moisturized hold. I don't know if that makes any type of sense, but it does. And next we're gonna grab my Maury's Natural Lock molding paste and just, I've never used this before, so let's see. Okay, don't make it too tight right after that, because you have to crochet the hair in. I'm gonna take the hair that we cut, and we're gonna also spritz that hair. We're going to also take a little bit of the double buttercream and moisturize it, and also a little bit of Maury's pomade. This just helps it. The hair actually is not that bad to braid with, to glide with, but I just want some extra moisturization, you know? Just put your crochet needle through your hair, like so. Open the latch hook, and then you're going to take the lower end of your hair, so just go like this. You're going to put the lower end in. If you put the middle in, it's going to be harder to pass the whole hair through. So you're just going to go like that. Pass it through, let it go, and let the short piece through. And then your hair's attached. And then what you're going to do, now that it's nice and in, you're just going to tighten it up a little bit, and your hair's attached. You can add some more pomade if you want, whatever. Now we're gonna proceed to twist. So you're gonna split the hair down the middle. Try to hide the rubber band. I don't really care about the rubber band as much as you would think I do. I actually don't care. So you're just gonna twist like you're regularly twisting your hair at night before you go to bed. I'm not twisting my hand any certain way. I'm just doing a regular twist. Ever so often, just go up like this. Just go up. Twist, 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 up. Twist, 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 up. Twist, 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 up. Just keep doing that. You know what the up kind of does is it allows it to have more of a crinkly wave as opposed to a 2-strand twist, because that's not cute. And then you can spray the ends and twirl it. Now it could be little fraggly ends. Cut the little fraggly ends off. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the rubber band or not, but either way, this works for me. To save time, you could just go ahead and part all of your hair and rubber band it. I find that that saves a lot of time. So the edge control that I'm using is the Powder Naturals Laying Edges Like a Boss Edge Control. And we're gonna be using this brush. This brush is called Duvoli. I don't know how you pronounce it. Ooh, hold on, smooth this hair. Duvoli, and it says that it's tender on the scalp, has memory flex bristles, will not snag or rip hair, reduces breakage and split ends, and promotes smooth, healthy hair. So I have been really liking this brush for a couple different reasons. One, it glides a little bit differently than my Denman brush, I feel like, and it really smooths the hair down. Like, I really like it. I'll leave this brush in the description bar. This website's actually pretty cool. Like, they have skin brush on there that I really like. Fiber mascara, that's actually really good. So go ahead and check them out. I'll leave them all in the description bar. So you're gonna take 3 pieces of this hair. So it's literally 1, 2, and 3. And you're gonna line them up. If you want a tethered look or feathered look, you could kind of space them out a little bit, but I don't really care about that. Spray the hair just lightly. Then you're gonna put your moisturizer just on the hair a little bit. And then you're gonna take your brush or your comb and just quickly run it through it to make it a little more rough. So it looks like this. You're gonna loop it like that. Take your crochet needle, put it under the hair, and then you're going to attach the hair onto the loop. Close the hook, pull it through, and then you can line up the hair if you want. Have your real hair in the middle of the 2 fake hair. Split the 2, split it in 2. This is where I kind of make sure my rubber band's kind of secure. So what you're gonna do, you now have your hair mixed with the other hair. It's like weird because you can't even see the hair. Now to hide the rubber band, I kind of like to wrap it over. I start to twist really close to my root, like that, and then proceed twisting. Sometimes it hides it, sometimes it doesn't, but whatever. Twist, 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 up. It's not going to be perfect, and I actually prefer that look. And see, you don't see the rubber band. Okay, so I am done. I'm just gonna get rid of any snags I may feel. I just cut them with scissors. Now we're gonna take some mousse. So I have the Miel Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. I'm gonna go ahead and set the hair. So just put a whole bunch of mousse like that. Alright, so this is the final look. Just kind of did a little side style here. I love the length. This is not the color I used, but the number of packs that I used for this length and this style was 2.5 packs. And they are $5.99 each. So it took like 7 hours to do. So yeah, I don't recommend washing your hair, doing your parts, and doing the hairstyle all on the same day. So I washed my hair the night before. That allowed it to kind of dry and be moisturized. So I recommend you doing that. The last time I washed and styled on the same day, it actually took me almost 12 hours, and they were much longer. So the longer they are, the longer it's going to take you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.